Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a sneak peek into February now. Let's see what energies are coming towards you, Libra. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. So take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most for the month of February, what energies are coming towards them, and how they can navigate through them to have the best possible month going forward. Thank you. So Libra, we're going to this time take a Ganesha oracle card. Lord Ganesha being the Lord of new beginnings, prosperity, joy, happiness. So let's start our brand new month with a Ganesha oracle card. So Lord Ganesha, what's the message now for February for my Libra gang? This one? I'm attracted to one more. Normally I take only one, but I'm going to take two for you. So let's put these two here, Libra. Okay, so the cards I have here for you is be candid. Okay, you have to speak from your heart, Libra. If there's anything, anyone, or any truth that you need to speak, you have to be honest and clear in your communication. And yes, it's time now maybe to trust in the spiritual quest. Okay, it's time to trust not just in the 3D world but also the 5D world. Let's just see, let's just take a couple of headliners as to what these are. 25 is 47. Okay, it's essential to express your truth even at the risk of standing out. The situation at hand is asking you to express your thoughts. In the past, you have tried to maintain peace by staying quiet or swallowing your words. Have faith that open and honest communication can bring resolution to a situation. If you are not sure where you stand, ask. Since the card is about communication, it may indicate someone's words have created a moment of clarity. Be willing to communicate your concerns clearly. Remember to be honest to others' views or arguments. Let your emotions flow without trying to block them while looking at decisions or solutions. Of course, there's a lot more, but I won't go into that. And let's see, spiritual quest. 40 is 71. So Libra, from the first card, what I got is it's time now to speak your truth. Okay, whichever way it goes, if you've been not expressing yourself, your emotions, I think February would be a good time. Spiritual quest says you are called to realize your full potential and choose to become a force for good in this world. Whether you're aware of it or not, you're embarking on a great spiritual quest. Your soul is leading you to a myriad of discoveries about who you truly are and what you came here to achieve in this lifetime. So yes, believe in the unknown, don't be afraid. Ask questions even if you're afraid, and if you're afraid to say some words, go for it. Okay, express yourself candidly. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your likes, your beautiful comments, your care and love you send to the channel and support the channel. I'm very grateful. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, yes, we welcome you to our Omkara family, Libra. To join us, subscribe to the channel and become part of us. We welcome you in. So Libra, let's put your cards down, and if any of you are looking for a private reading, Libra, my email is in the description box where you can reach me. And we're good to go. Oh my God, bottom of my deck, see what I have for you. The Ace of Cups. So love is on your mind, Libra. Or maybe it's on somebody else's mind regarding you. Please know these energies sometimes get flip-flopped with the person you're very attached to. So on your mind is the Knight of Wands, wanting to take action. You are very excited about taking action. In the past, I think you took a fresh leap of faith regarding something, but in February, I see you concentrating on yourself, or maybe this could be on somebody else here. Let's see. Knight of Wands. What's this Knight of Wands for Libra spirit? Knight of Wands. Knight of Wands. You're ready for a fresh new beginning. I think this is your current energy. Libra, in the past, there was some thought process that you went through where you had to maybe take a fresh leap of faith. Maybe you did, maybe you didn't. I'm going to clarify this card as well. But right now, your current energy, while I'm doing this reading, is you feeling very, very passionate about something that you want to achieve in your life. This could be a new business opportunity, Libra. This could be a new relationship, but you have hopes that it's going to get off to a stable start and you can have long-term stability with this. You are on your way to success with this thing. At least that's what you want right now. You want success in this new endeavor that you're very, very passionate about. So this could be a new project, this could be new work, this could be something new which will go the long haul. You want to be seen as a victor in this. So what was this Fool card in the past, Spirit? You wanted a rebirth with something new, fresh. You wanted to take a leap of faith with something, Libra, here. But I think you didn't really make a movement. You were at crossroads. Maybe you stuck around for too long, thinking, hoping, wishing, thinking maybe should I not, at crossroads. Whatever new thing that you wanted to do, have a maybe rebirth or restart with. But I think you didn't take any action and you got stuck in your thoughts. You were at crossroads, not knowing which direction to take. Should I go for it or not? But right now, I see you quite charged up here. You're wanting to speed up the process. You want to gallop towards whatever you want. You want to have this fresh new beginning. You want to have victory. So each of you will have something on your mind right now when I'm saying this, right? So what's this Nine of Pentacles, Spirit, in the future? In February? Jesus, oh God, all right. I have the Ace of Cups again for you, Libra. Ace of Cups. The underlying energy was the Ace of Cups. So in February, yes, you are very, very, very loved up, or maybe you're going towards some new love. I have two people here. I have the King of Wands and I have the Nine of Pentacles. And I would feel the King of Wands is you, very passionate, wanting to take action, and wanting to do it in a stable way, right? Because I did see you coming out as a Knight of Wands earlier. Maybe you were excited, wanting this, but now I think you are actually taking action, because whatever this thing is something that is going to give you a lot of prosperity. 10 of Pentacles. You are loving this thing, whatever you're going towards, whatever you want to now take action in a very mature and bold way towards achieving your 10 of Pentacles. So Libra, either this is you, okay, you've already reached the Nine of Pentacles here, you have achieved a level of success here, and now because you love what you love so much, you are now passionate about taking that next step to add this one pentacle to this Nine of Pentacles to achieve your 10 of Pentacles. Whatever this is, this could be a person. This could be you, Libra, wanting to take passionate action towards a person who's single and abundant and available, and you want to offer them this one pentacle because you love them and you want to achieve this 10 of Pentacles. But in a general way, what I would see, that you've already achieved this 9 of Pentacles, you've enjoyed this journey, or you're excited, you love what you do, and you're now wanting to, from the Knight of Wands, become this King of Wands by achieving that last pentacle to achieve this long-term stability in your life. Okay? So let's see, what is it that you should hold on to, or are holding on to. Libra, I have the Six of Wands here. Okay, if I see it, with the cards I have in my hand, Libra, even though you desperately want what you want, if you're still holding on to a little bit of suspicion or doubt that you can achieve this, or if your ego and pride is coming in the middle of taking that action towards achieving what you want, I think Spirit is saying, don't do that. You're still holding on to a little bit of ego and pride, which is stopping you from this forward movement. Okay? You are kind of doubting yourself. Should I take another step? Should I move towards my goal? Or will it hurt my pride here? So just be a little mindful of that, Libra, because that will end up keeping you in this Nine of Pentacles stage and not allow you to achieve that last pentacle, which is actually going to give you the Ten of Pentacles. Okay? It's only going to be your distrust. Can I achieve it? Should I achieve it? Will my ego and pride get hurt if I try and maybe I fail? So you're a little fearful of taking action here. So just be mindful of that. Okay? So what is it that you should let go of? The High Priestess. If you're not communicating, you're still holding on to this, that should I or should I not communicate? Libra, if you don't speak your mind or go towards what you want, that could become a little bit of a hindrance here, Libra. You can achieve that last pentacle here. That's being gifted to you, but you already reached the 8 and the 9 and you are still working. And what Spirit is saying, urging you to do, don't stop creating. Don't stop creating. Maybe you just have that one last pentacle that you need now. So don't hold back. You are going to achieve it. You are on the brink of success, but your ego, pride, or not coming out there and communicating. Maybe even Lord Ganesha said the same thing, right? Be candid. Go for what you want. Ask for what you want. Keeping yourself to yourself is not going to get you that last pentacle, which is going to give you long-term stability and success here. Let's see what's going to be your biggest blockage. Your biggest blockage is not... One second. Your biggest blockage, Libra, is walking away from things which actually give you a lot of happiness. Yes, again, I see a little bit of ego and pride coming here. You know that this can give you the abundance which is going to be beyond your imagination. What Spirit is saying, if you just keep standing around waiting, you could possibly be actually moving away from something which can, if you take action, you can get it, yes. But if you want this, the 10 of Cups, that's emotional satisfaction on achieving something that you want, this could walk away from you. This growth, abundance, forward movement, everything positive actually. There is a fear of all that leaving your life if you don't take action, if you just stand here waiting. Don't wait. Before long, this thing can walk away, this opportunity can walk away from your life. And again, like Lord Ganesha said, be candid. You need to go for what and ask for what you want. How do people see you? People see you as the star. Or maybe they see you healing right now. Taking some time out, not being... See here, people see you like this. People see you with a blindfold on your eyes, not being able to make a decision. I think being an air sign, they also see you as a little overwhelmed. Again, both the cards, the people here on the cards have a blindfold on their eyes. They don't want to see the truth. I think, Libra, you are being nudged in the right direction here, but you are not allowing your childlike innocence to see what is really going on. You need to be in a childlike energy and trust that you have to be on a spiritual quest here. If you start believing in the universe, you will be guided. You will be, and maybe you are being guided, but maybe your ego and pride is not allowing you to see. And who's doing that, Libra? Is you. I'm sorry to say that. This blindfold you can remove. You can make a decision. You don't have to hold these swords all around you, over your chest, over your heart, and keep yourself bound and tied and say, I'm not going to make a move. I'm going to stand here and wait. If it has to happen, it'll happen. This could be in any sphere of your life, Libra. Okay? So, yes, you have to now begin whatever thing that you want to go towards, which is going to give you this 10 of Cups, this 10 of Pentacles. It's all available to you. But you have to see it now with childlike innocence, like taking a fresh leap of faith. Okay? With love, with the feeling you can achieve it. What Spirit's secret advice to you? Same thing. Don't keep sitting around here under a tree, feeling sad, upset, bored, lonely, and not seeing these beautiful offers coming to you, Libra. You have to choose one. I mean, the offers will come and then the offers will go. You have to say, yes, I want this one. They're not going to drop in your lap. And even if they do, they'll probably get spilt over because, you're not going to open your hand and receive it. Why is the Four of Cups the secret message for Libras? One more. Beautiful. I think Lord Ganesha's message is coming through very, very loud and clear. Spirit is saying, instead of sitting around here, bored, lonely, feeling rejected, it's time now, Libra, to leave all these troubled waters behind and move to a beautiful, calm, new space in your life. The only thing that you have to do, instead of standing here bored and feeling, why aren't my pentacles growing, or why am I not, reaching that 10 of Cups or 10 of Pentacles position in my life, even though I love it so much and I'm trying to manifest it, why don't I see the fruits of my labor? What the answer is here, Libra? Take it if you want it, not if you don't. I'm just a reader, but this is the message that is coming across. If you really want something, if you really love something or someone, I think it's time to be candid. You have to speak your truth, Libra. Pick up that sword and cut away the bullshit. Even if you're scared, you're afraid, you're upset, or whatever you are, clear communication is going to be the key to leading you to this 10 of Pentacles, 10 of Cups, this huge cup of love, a brand new stable beginning, wish fulfillment. Okay? But the only one hitch I see here, Libra, for you is you keeping yourself stuck and bound in your own mind. Okay? So, yes, I think bring back that youth in you. Go towards new opportunities or face opportunities in a new way. Whether this is work, business, love, doesn't matter. You have to now get out of your head to achieve everything. I mean, everything is available to you, Libra. The rest is up to you. So till then, till your next reading, love and light. Take care. Namaste.